Clinch is a dynamic creative solution for the social networks. We've seen that brands and agencies had success with dynamic creative solutions in the programmatic world. Showing the right message to the right person at the right time actually works. And so we believe that that's what we need to bring into the social networks, to the Facebook of the world, to the Instagram of the world. Brands want to personalize and make relevant and show relevant messages in those networks. And that's where we're coming in, to drive sales, to drive performance, to drive results with dynamic creative on the social networks.
Okay, so we know that a significant amount of digital inventory resides on Facebook, but given that it's a walled garden, it has been impossible to personalize video at scale. Why is that?
Yeah, so the networks, if you look at the outside world, the programmatic world, there's so much data out there and there's so many data companies out there. And it's pretty much accessible via cookies or device IDs. In the world of the walled gardens, they control the data, and it's what's available through the API that you can work on. And so we really like working with the Facebook team, the Instagram team, because they're expanding their API and they're allowing companies like us to build and utilize data in a very interesting and innovative world on their networks.
So Clinch was accepted into the Facebook Marketing API Accelerator, graduated and all. Could you explain that process briefly?
Yeah, we're very proud of that. Several hundred companies applied, and we're one of the 3 companies that got selected to the program. They tried to focus on specific focus areas that are very important to Facebook, and video is, of course, a critical element to Facebook. And so we're the video company. We're building with the help of their engineers and with the help of their business people, we're building a personalization solution for Facebook and Instagram. And so we've been working with them hand in hand in the past couple of months, and we're getting amazing support for their team, and we're very excited. And that led us to several alpha releases, and we're starting to work with brands and agencies on the new product, which is delivering personalization at scale on Facebook and Instagram.
So briefly explain for us how the A/B testing works.
Yeah, I think that's the critical part that a lot of agencies and brands are missing. So in video. So if you think about it, we're spending here in Beat talking about addressability, and basically where companies here talking about addressability is about how to target better. So instead of targeting everybody, or instead of using index-based to target, using addressability to target better. I think the next step and what they're missing is the creative. So instead of just showing a limited set of people the same creative, we can actually start showing different creatives. And Alfonso just spoke about the fact that they looked in retrospective on 2 creatives, one automotive creative that talked about lower APR and one that talked about $700 cashback. And actually just that message drove more people to the dealerships. So talking about cashback is actually better performing than talking about APR. However, that was in retrospective. What we're trying to do is we're trying to do an active A/B testing. So before the campaign even starts, utilizing the power of Facebook and Instagram to run different creative, to run different messages and see what of them work. So using that to inform the final creative that the campaign runs. So what we recommend for every one of our clients is to run what we call the rapid testing phase, run a learning phase, running an A/B testing phase to see which creative and which messages and which call to action works the best before going to the campaign itself.
So we know there are tons of people on Facebook. Instagram is very, very popular. What are just some of the basic differences between the users audience-wise? Is it strictly age?
No, I think right now we're seeing people from all over the range and demographics. I think the power of Facebook is there's so many people are on it, and in the other side there's so much data that you can utilize that there's a lot of opportunities to test, to learn, and to optimize your video and display campaigns to deliver results. So I think there's huge opportunities there.
So you folks started overseas, actually, and then expanded into this country, and you recently had a big fundraising round in September. What's the path forward look like for Clinch?
Yeah, it's interesting. A lot of companies start in the US and expand outside. We, as part of the round, actually came from Asia and South America into the US. And so we're utilizing this round to increase our engineering team and to build our sales force in the US and build our presence here. So that's the main reasons for the round.